Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Sterling Osase Osakwunokwodin, they talk about court killings where they happen for Edo State, most especially for Benin City. They don't want our youth, make they comot, make they remove hand for court matter, make they know they join court, you know get help with they. He say, I see they come out this morning, they drive, they go. He see another young boy again with bullet wound where they shoot. People where they waka past, they try save the boy life. This morning again. So make I leave you, make you hear from Comrade Sterling Osase Osakwunokwodin, the advice we get for our Edo State youth. Enjoy the video.
Good morning to ever conscious Edo people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Sterling Osase Osakwunokwodin. I won't deceive you. Today, I am not really happy. I was perturbed with what I saw with my very eyes this morning while I was going to a destination designed to address specific issues that borders on my private life. On our way going, we saw a young man along Pipeline Junction. He was shot. Passersby did all they could to save him. And I think by the power of God, that young man may not die. But the point is this: our citizens need to be wise. Killing your brothers, your mates, is not enough to measure ruggedity, nor stupidity, nor strength. I considered the actions of these persons as stupid actions. Now, nobody pays you for killing anybody. You got no gain from killing anybody. You just want to reign so that they will say, these men are the men leading. So what are you benefiting from this nonsense? The truth of the matter is very simple. Our youth, upcoming youth, should know that courtism is evil. Don't join. Do not make that mistake. Do not make that mistake to engage yourself in courtism. I can authoritatively speak like this publicly because I am not a member of any occultic organization, and I will never be. In fact, I am bigger than the stage of persons who will go and join one organization, all in a bid to be drinking beer in public and be carrying different women. Which gain are you getting from it? Now, let me quickly open up something to us all. The negative implication of courtism is so numerous that cannot be overemphasized. Now, when you kill a young graduate who happens to be a doctor or a lawyer or an engineer, a professional town planner such as Osakwunokwodin and many others, God forbid, when you kill those kind of people, you will be counting 10, 21, 32 with human life, failing to understand that if you kill one doctor, you have killed more than 1,000 of those citizens. Because if that doctor practices, that doctor will eventually find solution and remedy to the health challenge of numerous Edo people. So killing your future generation amounts to destroying Edo State. You might be thinking that you are ready. You might be ready now, but you are going to change like a weather. You are going to change like a weather. How much are they paying you? Even if they are paying you, Will you go and kill people in the street, all in a bid to satisfy your quest as the most stubborn man in your territory? Will you? I want to quickly say this publicly. Edo youth should be wise. Not even Edo youth. Benin youth. This is the truth. Benin youth, not Edo youth. Because in Eastern land, they hardly kill their brothers, even where cultism exists in that area. I spent so many years as a student in Auchi Polytechnic before I furthered my education. I can authoritatively tell you that all through my period in that school, not only 2008, that was only when an indigene was shot in that school. Indigene tells themselves, Erama, 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 Erama. But here in Benin, we want to show that we are the king of killing. This is the bitter truth. You come out with a gun, you face your fellow brother, boom, you say 1-0, boom, 1-1, boom, 2-1. At the end of the day, you remain a wretched person in the society. But you are killing. You are killing. You may be thinking that you are one of the greatest men of all time. No, you are not great. You are as worthless as Zimbabwean dollar. I will tell, let's be factual. The problem of Edo State today trickles to Benin youths. That's the truth. I am a Benin man, a typical one at that. Okandi, Edo, Okandi, obviously. Not before Benin men go nowhere to be your candy. But why on earth must our people continue to see themselves as animals? I choose not to speak on this issue since the reason is that they know themselves. They should continue to kill themselves. Now they sabi. You are coming now to blame the governor. You are coming now to call on the police to secure you. But you went to school. And when I knew you at TAB, you went there. You want medicine and they rule the campus. You went to go and join. You join finish. You come area. You even now tat conductor, wheelbarrow pusher are part of the game. Killings everywhere. And go and check the group of people. Go and check the group of people doing this killing. Then if you see they're very wretched set of people. But for now, they'll ask you, you'll say, you the rain. You are not raining. You are an egocentric disgrace to Edo people. A disgrace. That's who you are. Please oblige me with the opportunity to I just they get code now. They send me message say my data they expire. So let me quickly recharge. I never knew. So I choose to keep mute. But if we say we just shut up, we let all these people they misbehave. You know go where? But it's so painful. You come out, you carry gun. Excuse me 1 minute, please. Let me sub. Okay. Sorry for the time. I've done that. Now, at the end of the day, you'll see them. Don't say, man, not them. They drink beer, they smoke Morocco. I know they condemn beer. I know they even condemn Morocco. But they condemn you for coming out after taking those things. Use that to cause problem in our society. No need for excuses. Whether somebody committed, they say government officials, security agencies, and more are cultists and also encouraging it in one way or the other. I may agree with you, but person will get sense. Suppose no say you need to use your personal orientation to do things. If you say me you pass the streets of Edo and Nigeria, it dey hard before you see you to another court. But the question is, what did you do after becoming a member? Because if you say you want to arrest and destroy all the cultists, you end up finishing almost all Edo people. We not many way free. We not many way free. But the question is, you don't find yourself in that situation. Why don't you use your brain and withdraw yourself from all these unnecessary issues? Why don't you withdraw yourself from these unnecessary killings that is creating problem in our society? Someone do and make they say that the rain. Now them, now our area they lead the war. Which nonsense war? Which nonsense war? You get weapon. Animal food bush, you know key. You carry the weapon, come out. They find youth like you want shoot. Now jealousy be one of the major things behind cultism. Envy. It's so painful now, say at times that they go to kill innocent soul. At times, they'll go kill innocent soul because they envy that person. They say, we don't know. Oh, now mistaken identity. They don't use that killer. So please, you guys should stop these killings. If you kill a doctor, you have killed over 1,500 persons. Because throughout the practice of this doctor, is going to save so many lives. You carry gun, you shoot her. He die. You say 1-0. Tomorrow, as we speak today, since after these elections and within the election in Edo State, now no say Edo people get the capacity to build Edo, but they are afraid to return to this town. They are afraid to return to this town. I received more than 6 calls yesterday till now. Say, come we are tired, we may return by him now. I be no one talk. Make una come to the school and say, una don't tire. Una go rest. When una continue to the queue una self, una go rest. But I look at, I have to say something. When you get going do, you cannot move freely. If you wear shoe way fine, you wear shirt way they okay, you wear jeans way make sense. That's this one why you're the phone now. This one why you're the phone now. Jealousy don't start. They just look for every available war where they want to go find each other key. May they take key people. So the truth of the matter is simple. And you don't find yourself in court in the past. Not be the issue. The issue is, what are you still doing with the activity? Because if you say me you arrest or may you fish out all cultists in the Edo State, believe me, virtually almost all youths. I don't talk now, some of us free. Few. Now free. But now, some of these same youths, they will be saying they don't want to do again. They don't tire. Where they go stay for the house, this new upcoming children, whether they recruit, will come out. Now they spoil everywhere they go to. Now them, they spoil everywhere they go to. You kill one person, they'll come and say, who kill now this guy? Hey, more like give an office. In the office with no salary. Nothing. Nothing. See, Abemona let this Edo self get good name. I want to tell you today, Edos around the world get the capacity to turn Edo to Dubai. In 6 years, Edo will be Dubai. But they are afraid. They are afraid to come to Edo. Mostly the women for inside. If they hear you, they say, Mawami on Facebook, you work below she cannot come again. Men, they see if you get me, say, we want come. But the women will just fear. And these are the people who have the economic war chest to build SME in Edo State. When they hear say, today, now my eyes, this one did not tell me I did drive past. Me and my family, we went somewhere. Now see the boy for guy the road. They shoot him. He never even reached 7 minutes after the shooting. When we reach there, they drive past. I not wait, oh. I not wait. We know you see the one we ever say, yeah, okay, now that guy does election period. Whoa, I'm sorry, drive my own pass. I move past my own jejely. They're not, this set of people, one of the basic foundation of cultism is envy and jealousy. If this driver cut AC and say driver cut B, they get one youth where you graduate, and that youth now professional, they say in the rain, though they look for war where they want to go kill them. And don't wake on no wake as they. You can't no wake or as they. As I just see and say, man, that one, you see, even in this video, somebody they put red head. Me, I know they worry for red head. But that is to say, this kind of statement, for us to make sure, say, we sensitize our people, you not like them, you want the killings to continue. After they don't smoke drugs, they don't drink beer, they don't do many codeine, refno. They're going to see another fellow youth like Nama, that to shoot another their man. This thing is so pathetic. Now, again, so people say the army, the police. Let me tell you, the army cannot do it. The police cannot do it. No matter the tactical team, they can't do it. First, we must follow the role and the roadmap that Obaseki is already putting on ground. Let these people go and learn 1 or 2 work. Edo Industrial Hub, they. As they learn, government should get ready for empowerment. As they come out, chip out something. When you chip out something for them to start their business, when they are arrested, you arrest them, take them to prison. Inside that prison, make them learn the work. May we get, because for normal, we call prison a correctional center. Swear not go work. We swear. Forget swear not go work. They must train these people on how to do something. Let me tell you, when you don't know how to, you don't get you to do. You stay for ground, they smoke only weed. When they from one, they tell another one. Get it clearly. I not say people when they smoke weed are bad people. No. Now what do you do after weed? Now me I get issue with. Because with their way, say some pastors they will be say if they never smoke weed, they don't feel preach. So I'm not against that. But what did you do after the weed? So government must, first of all, use the economic tool. Economic tool. It will be a carrot and stick approach. Economic tool will be coming, then the military tool will be coming. The security tool will be coming. Say you say, cash, beat them, kill them, take them to prison. The remaining one way they go out. Prison. If prison they stop crime for another day again. Economic tool must be involved. Economic too must be involved. Now, when these people are arrested, correctional centers should be able to start to correct them. At least if somebody spent 5 years for prison, as they come out for that prison, it's either he's a professional this or a professional that. That is what prison ought to be. That is what prison ought to be. While they are there, they must be corrected. Say you say, just destroy them, they will continue. And again, if we want to put an end to this issue, it is easy. I have submitted a proposal before to the government. And I know during the elections, it was difficult for the government to look into it. We have a way of addressing this problem. We can address this problem. We can. Who can. See, sensitization is very important. Are you aware that to date, there are some persons who don't get access to media like this? He not get as evil as an individual will be when he hear an enlightenment we never hear before. He must get second thought. One Mavis Perry says, swear say you not be cultist. Okay, I will do that immediately. I will do that. I will not sweep it under the carpet. I will do it immediately. First, I want to state this categorically clear that I am not a cultist. One. And secondly, if I am a cultist, myself and my first son should die in my very face. And if I go back to return this course, anything I put my hands here and in the future will destroy my very face. I am not, and I will never be. But at this stage, nobody can come to Usakwinokwoden to come and tell him you get one group with day now. You the Chris. Get it clearly. Get it clearly. Do not misconstrue cultism and stubbornness. Whether you do anywhere you not do, if you mistakenly play come our way, the way you want I will go give you. I must not join one society before me officially mobilize like you. I must not join. No, we are men as well. So, because you did one organization, not make you feel say you yourself stop and pass way for the street. Now two different things. Now two different things be this so. Yes. Both who join will not join. We all are adult citizens. We be adult children. And you know naturally, adult children will get mind. So you mustn't be any associate. You must not do any association before you feel say I be man on my own. Yes, by the power of God Almighty, I don't have any internal secret that I cannot share. So before you talk, me will get out of tell you. Before you talk, me will get out will tell you say that's so it be. How many politicians in the whole of Federal Republic of Nigeria go fit come and tell you say he was fighting for stomach infrastructure? How many? I came out publicly to tell you that I fought Obaseki because stomach infrastructure. Whereas the rest will tell you, we are still the people, and for their men, they know say that they are belly. I came out, I told you, I said, I fought for my stomach. And when I stopped to fight for my stomach, When I stop to fight for my stomach, I announce am. Waiting me not get when I dey fight for my stomach, I can't get that when I stop to the fight for my stomach. That was why I openly came out publicly. I said in my elections, I can say this anywhere. Obaseki did not give me a dime, but those people gave me money. And when I was doing my job in the elections, I came out publicly to say, this message when I come to deliver here, so not be me they fund down, now I do in the diaspora and I say me. If you want hail, hail them. That's my kind of person. I not get remainder. You cannot send me to go and do something. Let me look for a very befitting place to stay, please. You cannot send me to go and do something. At the end of the day, I'll come wait till you send make I do, and not go do them. I go come begin use that as an opportunity to get my own. No. Do I be my own after you say see my own? This one are for the team. I know use this my own to play. I will collect them as it's supposed to be. That is my kind of person. So I just want to clear that doubt from that my brother where he say make I swear. And the can't swear when I swear so. Now so if I go back, go return it stands. I do not need but this one not be say maybe I not tell you lie you. Say maybe you can't say maybe your head is cool. You can't say you want to stay my own way. Bros, forget. I know deny that one. You know if you say you want to work on me, I look you at wow. But I know they find trouble. You should know now. Me na another try. Not be beneath blow with your body dey man. It's like another work boy with make benia. I don't want to pretend. May God not let us pretend in Jesus' name. If you like me, no. If you want to like me, like Osakweno Kwodi and not get remainder. If you want to hate me, hate me. No, I know contact you say, Ima, I just good though. Maybe like me, no. Whereas at the end of the day, you can't see other qualities when I not show you, you can't begin hate me. And that hatred go too much. So for those who wants to like Osakweno Kwodi, you will like Osakweno Kwodi based on what you know about me. And based on Osakweno Kwodi, and not the one I concealed. I'll be hide down and say, hell no, I am me. I am me. No remainder. And again, and by the power of God, now me be the person I dey pray. Say, may God not let me get the kind of opportunity where go make me come out. God they say, will be all those men that maybe you wouldn't. I know they pray together kind of thing. When we the ghosts of we do our work, the boys where they follow me the work, my staffs. The Oba say we dey go for road. I just see food for road or your pack. Oh yeah, mo chop this one. Madam, give me a boo, 100 naira 2. Yeah, put 100 naira me 3. They come they look me. Say, are we not supposed to be going to GT? How you laugh, my dear brother. Me na your local person. I dey very local. Not be lie you. Now God just do want me with the see little economic prosperity. I dey very local. You know you come carry from me, come my side. In fact, it is very difficult for me to associate with friends who get money. Not be jealousy. One, I'm not going to want make you see me say I dey call you to say I want to beg you money. No, I am not a lazy person. It was also. I know the rest. I know the rest. That's the truth. I am a lazy person. Say, I'll say, I dey hustle. So it is difficult. When you can say, when you see friends that will say, we want to go to so and so with this hotel, that hotel, let's go and place. I hardly do them. I hardly. Not be say it not good though. Not be say I condemn people where they do them. But for me, I be this local person. So I feel just and I drink beer. I drink wine. In fact, as I talk to you, so I get wine for inside my drive. You see, I'm a born. I'm a but now your local way. I know this wine now. Let's say they sell this wine. For example, they sell this wine 1,500 for store. I'll call your come on, go one hotel. They'll go to sell it for me 10,000 because I want to say I get money for the same wine. So you may call it local. To me, now be acceptable. I accept that is me for you. I not get remainder. I not call they assume say, na me, Osak, we no coding. No. No. And I see if do you know that by the power of God, I so much did very happy the way I take to live my life. I never do competition with anybody. Say who can they say no. Although me in this state they bomb me, I never travel. Come on, the only place where I don't travel come on for Nigeria reach now be Cotonou, Port Novo. I never go Chad one day. I never go Niger. I never go anywhere. In fact, now I say I do state, but I don't go those Lagos, some core parts of the Nigerian states. I don't move those ones, yes. But same I come to say, hello, what's up now? Yes, I mean, whereas I did West village, I come and say, yesterday, I did Canada, I'll come in next 2 weeks. Maybe because if you see me now, resemble who come for John, you have to say, yeah, okay, no, I not go anywhere. And I'm not sabi impress anybody. I come by the impress you but like me. No. I know they do. I don't impress. And I don't pretend. I know if it is somewhere. I can't assume. So what did I try to talk? Now they swear with that my brother say make I swear. I really swear because now the world they look me. Now the world they look me. We should be able to clarify something. So that make you cannot post that. As you post that challenge to me, I don't need to say I not see the comment. I need to respond immediately as you want them. Although I don't need to satisfy you, but for the benefit of doubt and for those that are watching, I need to clarify that out. If I stay there, I'll tell you say I did. You know, have you seen me in your meetings? The world is watching. If you have seen me in your meeting, you come and you say, no, me and you did meeting. That day, I'll tell you, say the meeting, the money, my work by ye. So my own money, my ye. This cultism is evil. It is the truth. It is the truth. For those who already did, we find themselves. I bet more than started to withdraw on themselves, come out with sense. I know so now they talk say they don't fit come out, they don't generalize. If you want to come out, you come out. They want to uproot you for his house. If anybody call you, you love it, now make you see the art. If anybody call you ask, come to say hello show, have a meeting, they say I'm not getting meeting where they go. You say may use force and you call commissioner of police. Commissioner of police go there, please serve to assist you. Run to the area command, go to the state CID. And go shout say you be they put you or you join, yes, but you don't tell them say you know do again, and no one let you rest, so Bemona help me. The whole police will be willing to follow you. So for you to stay there, they sweet you. Fake that sweetness. Fake that sweetness before it is too late. Promising young men and women are dying on a daily basis. No women, sorry. But women self still join. Women self still join. Where they make this thing the hot. Two boys sit down their own. One will say you the craze. The other one say you the mad. They'll say sorry, they'll end. But one girl all day there and the girl sweet. One say you the craze. The other one say you the mad. The girl can say, hello, me. Oh, the boys will say, may they not say na fuck up. May they not say na fuck up. Oh, but I mean you the man. That was say because this babe go see and say, I not fit made this guy back. But say, you the mad. Wait, don't start. That girl, they know carry him, the girl will go. The two of them will face each other. It will come involve who is not concerned. It will come be war. It will come be war. Whereas, little sorry, if you match my shoe, I say you don't match my shoe, so I'm going to sorry, no quarry. If I match your shoe, If I match your shoe, you say, Osakwe, what you don't match my shoe? I say, sorry. No quarrel. No quarrel. But now when I say, you don't mad if I match your shoe, you don't know that maybe you're Osakwe no who. You don't know that maybe you're Osakwe no who. Oh my God. You don't know that maybe you're Osakwe no who. That will say. So you just say that you be Osakwe no who. I go tell you say that maybe Fevino. And the papa and mama not give her Fevino. You know if it be Fevi. I go say, I will tell you say that maybe Fevino. Now maybe the way it if you say, I'll tell you say that maybe Fevi, you do your hand like this. The other have bone. But it was, if he say, I'll tell you say that maybe Fevino. Then no. Now go make the other say, what you the open hand for? Tell me whether open of hand reach to cause quarrel. But tell me, opening of hand, whether it reach to cause quarrel. So my people, okay, somebody asked me one question. Say, Stanley, answer the question, please. Why you not the stadium the day of governors Obaseki swearing in? For those who follow the trend, one thing about me, I not be person where they front. If you see me for somewhere, you know, say that, as in, I need to do there at that particular time. The governor gave directive, say every individuals should do the inauguration in their local government. Me a grassroots politician. I have to be in my local government. And that same day, my younger cousin, they do wedding for Olu, Imo State. So I left the inauguration by 12:15, about 1 o'clock. I immediately traveled to Imo State. And I returned from Imo by 12 a.m. in the night, in the morning. Thank God, thank you for asking me this question. And this is an avenue to address that. And let me quickly say this. We are not fools that we work effortlessly, tirelessly to ensure the emergence of an administration. When we don't, we will say we want to come out. They do like that. So, just leave the area. Our relationship with the governor still remains an ironclad. No shaking. So now activities, Naomi, family over everything. That's the truth. That's the truth. And again, let me quickly clear this. I believe in the principle of Aguiye campaign. Aguiye campaign. During the election period, they your side, me they my side. Now battle. I want my own to win. You want your own to win. So I will do all I could to prevent you, may you not win. As you do your own, may me not win. But once I don't win, the election don't end. My dear brother. The election don't end. My dear brother. Forget what happened. Na election. Not be war. Not be avenue to create a trade. Not be enmity game. But for this one, now winner take it all. Now we call her. But this is not to say when we get expertise from a do indigene, you say a man winner in the election, we are going here. No, if they can, let them help for Edo to grow. The overall goal and objective is to move Edo forward. And in the inauguration, when the governor go collect a certificate of return, now me filmed that incident that very day. The governor was very vocal when he said, I call on the war is over. I call on all our sundry to join hands in moving Edo forward. Let's join hands to move Edo forward. So, for me, I not get enemy. In the elections, I get enemy. During the election. That one a political enemy with the column. As the election finish, we don't win. The only enemy we will get again if it's sister now this tribunal. All of us go our various camp to defend what we believe in. After tribunal, you cannot tell me I will see APC man for road. I will say Bona it be not work for us. I know if you do one. Alpha brother and a man you be was yeah which way. A day to the elections. Now I wear my Obaseki cap. I dey in the midst of about 7 POI for my area. We be friends now. Which one be? If you come up for your domot, the next man we will see in APC or PDP. Okay, because we call party, who do Agbera. Me not did that one. I know if you say I did very enlightened, no, but at least to some extent, my education tell me say na politics. It not tell me say na war. My education not tell me say na war. It tell me say na politics. Election is over, it's over. It is over, it is over. Me, I not get enemy again. Election is over. We must move forward. But this is not to say that those who wants to have enemies should not have. They can. But I am Usakwenokwodi, and it's my philosophy. Now, my way they talk, so I know they speak for everybody. To me, I believe election is over. So, this is the time to go to work. If not be President Trump, where they disgrace America right now. In fact, today, America should come and learn democracy from Nigeria. Before now, we they learn from them. The election not on your side. You the top for the year. Because they bring down America image. What do we understand before in America? They say once election is over, if they say Afghanistan is threatening the United States, you'll see all the cities are going to say they are donating money to support their government. But yeah, we say, how important? Na Abga. If you like Saudi Arabia bomb Nigeria, may go na Abga they power. Now say supposed to be no. Not be say supposed to be. Everybody. The party produced the government. The people voted for the government. When the government wins, it's a PDP-led administration, ably led by the leader of the party, Governor Godwin Obaseki, and the government is owned by the people. Okay, will you now say because one man is Abga or is APC, you say that government is no longer his government? More enlighten ourselves, more wake up. It is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people, which is the ruling of the few down to the ruling of the many. That was the definition of democracy in Abraham Lincoln Gettysburg speech of 1863. Abraham Lincoln Gettysburg speech of 1863. So that is the game. Aguye campaign, now Zame slogan. Sometimes though you see we go the attacks, if they attack, you say, you see the way that they call you. Comrade, I tell you war. A campaign no, we were roving anywhere to do our election. We say we paving your bally man we be when your bally, you know my youthful exuberance must day. But once the election is over, you cannot beat somebody, don't already dig ground. You don't kill him. You still go to hit him, John Grant. That's not stupidity. So I just use this as an opportunity to address those who ask me questions in respect of elections, in respect of my non-presence at the stadium. So my major topic here now those occultic organizations. Those occultic organizations. Let them call themselves to order. I beg, we don't tire to the lose great men of inestimable value. And to me, I believe that the only panacea to address this problem, economic issues must be part of it. Economic weapon must be part of the process. Economy in itself must be a weapon in fighting the scourge of cultism in Edo State. That is what we can do to achieve success. So, thank God, the government of the day in Edo State is now setting a pace for economic prosperity. You cannot come like we now, we don't finish the election now. And before, we were expecting that after election like this, we'll come begin share money. Obaseki don't already show to us, say, this election don't finish, not expect money. Go and think of what you can do to push the state forward. If your idea is workable, we will support it. So as at now, as the election finish, we quickly go face our personal business. We go face our well, because and if outbreak no fit come now, because Obaseki not promise me say I will be expecting much. So I know we'll get outbreak. Unlike before, when we expecting much, or we can't get outbreak. Now no outbreak because we already know say we don't already do what we want to. We don't deliver the government. The government is coming to work for the people. So we're not going to say, hey, they will soon give us 50 million. Nah, you know they come. So we don't already know. So since we are not expecting much, we don't need to be afraid. We will have to focus. Election in Mao, our Edo. We did it for Edo. So cultism is evil. We advise them to take an advantage of this current training facilities that we have in all nooks and corners of Edo State. This is all I have to say as far as cultism is concerned. Now let me go to my personal business. Edo work routine Kanaba. As you all know, by the power of God Almighty, I am the CEO Stanley Sadi Enterprise. We are into building construction. We are into land surveying. We are into CFO application. And I have said the requirements before now. Now who gets CFO? I get land though. Even you say you build your house, you don't stay for like 30 years. Not make you still secure. Say that land or that house belongs to you until you get CFO. Why? Some of us don't see cases where somebody will come say, oh God, this person you build that so now my forefather get on. He died also and so yeah. Before we come back for who travel go, people don't day. We want to collect our land. You say no, I bought this land, When the pay tender CFO, your knee you go for up, you start to the beg. Sorry, please. Now knee you go for up, you start to the beg because you go win you. Now see one issue will happen on Thursday. I received a call. A woman bought a land 100 by 100. She can't do foundation for the land. They build and they go. Now one other woman come. This woman at the time say, if they watch me now, that's splash today. Now one other woman come say, this land where they build so. Now me get them. And then I say, no, now community sell for me. This is my client. Where the diaspora. So he said, now community sell for them. Now the woman say, I said, now me get them. Now the woman tender a CFO. I'm not a block person. Let Uselu King continue. Now Isabi. I know the source of Uselu King. Uselu King is coming from those who wants to continue to attack Usakunokwudi, they can no longer attack in the physical. They are now hiding on that proxy account to attack. It's normal. Let him continue. After all, if the whole world they clap for you, no say you get problem. At least so suppose the verse. Someone consider Oselu King as the one with the verse. I don't see comments since I don't want to give her the publicity. Where they find. So he should continue. Now, this same woman come tell the community, say, now me get my land. Now the woman tender CFO. Now the community call the beg and say, I beg. It don't happen. We don't know. Okay, see as it be now. He said it's 100 by 100. You take 50. Make yourself take 50. We'll go give 50 for you for that place. This woman has already built foundation for 50. Now I advise my client, see, the woman say, okay, in here. Later he call they say no agree. Now I advise my client, say, even if say una agree, una must make sure say they carry that CFO document back to GIS office. Apply for CFO for that 50. Make the woman transfer 50 for you. Then we know what we go do for CFO office to make sure say there is CFO for that 50. If not, even if say you share that land, una agree. In the next 5 years, that woman can come back. You see, that CFO will collect all your property. That is CFO for you. That was the advice I gave to my client. That was the advice I gave to my client. So, even if say you build that for land, never means say you get that land. Because the document where you get, now let me tell you, in communities, by the power of God Almighty, me, I don't do community work where I don't do chairman, self-chairman. I don't do acting chairman. I don't do vice chairman for land allotment committee. I didn't to Sam. All these are surveys. All of them are for CFO application. As I did so, files wait with me for assignment too. It's more than 100. Not the one with us. Some other one they go. You see them many. They're full everywhere. I don't do this thing well. So we know everything relating to communal land. So when you say you not get CFO, you build and we will nyato na lie. Na lie. You not get land. Because let me tell you, one paper can sell a whole community land. One paper can sell entire community land. One paper. Now, how that paper they be? You see, they'll say, this land. They'll say, your brief paper come and they'll call a committee approval. They'll say, the right hand, Mr. John Usakbawan, 10 plot. Then when one say for you, go say, now maybe Mr. John Usakbawan, I have 10 plots. But I'm selling 1 by 2 to you. You carry you go lawyer place. They'll do what they call deed of transfer. They'll put photocopy of the approval, put out for you. You go see carry that same document. You go sell on that land. Now, because of the fact that there are no beacon number in that approval, he go use them till they sell all of that. That's why before you finish your agreement in any land, as you the buy land, before lawyer they write your agreement, they must go the right. You carry a survey of the land. As the day when they pay, that they make the surveyor. Wait more. When the report of the survey don't come out, make sure say both the survey plan number and the beacon number is in your deed of transfer. That tomorrow when you want to come and say, then I will not live here, because community get a way of saying they'll say they want to carry you to another place. Everybody man out there, if you want to take it to another place, you tell say no, I'm not living here. Doctor is okay. How you tell us a year we give you? You're not at the 6. Sam, I bought this land, bacon number, this is bacon number, that, and when they take the chart, now confirm. They can't take you up. Oh, you have no bacon number, no survey. You go tell you say what you have more, but okay. If you carry the matter go court, it will win you. Because court go say, how you tell no say not there that he give you. Then he go fair and say, sir, we didn't give him that place. He went there, he missed where we show to him. This is exactly where we show to him. He will win. Because you have no survey on that land. And when they are surveying in your land, the bacon number will reflect in your land document. That tomorrow when they say leave, they say, no, this is the land document. Bacon number, this is the plan number, that. That is the point. That is the point. So I'm just bringing out this enlightenment. So for C of O application is very important. As I've earlier said, C of O application costs 50,000 naira for the application fee. Tax clearance for those in the diaspora, otherwise known as development, is 100,000, which is 150. Now requirements: you need a survey plan. You need passport photograph, clear one, because it will be engraved on your C of O document. You need data page of your international Nigerian passport, or driver license, or national identity card, or any means of national identification. You need the paper of the land, photocopy. I've talked about survey plan. You need utility bills, NEPA bill, BSA where carry the address of your house or your family house or anywhere you like, make correspondence they come. You put them. They will say you will call authorization form. You will fill and you will sign and say, I sent Osakwenokwodi to carry out C of O application on my behalf. By then, as I first talk, that's why I see the talk. You will send us 10,000 naira first to print your doc, because virtually all those what they do for diaspora, now only the paper of their land that they see bring come for us. Their data pay international passport, they send it through either mail to us, they will not print out. So they send their survey through mail to us, we'll print out. So you give us 10,000 naira, get it clear. Government not send us more, they collect 10,000 naira from now. Now we, they collect them because of the work we want to start. And I tell you, say, once we are done with the job, you go use your mind to pay Osakwenokwodi and my company what you wish to give to us and not bill you. That was what I said from the initial stage. And again, we are into surveying. So we want to see of for you. If you never do survey, we'll do survey for you. And survey, they two types. We get survey and we get large survey. Some of you do survey, but they do come they'll give you, but they know larger. You see the parade the document they go. Survey needs to be lodged. That's why we use the word government survey in C4 application. So now this one I want to tell our people this morning. When I do well, when I tell they listen to me, go through nothing not to come. Now me buy the data. Now my own I buy. Now your own you tell they watch me. So first for watching me at all, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And beyond that, I want to use this medium to thank Edo people, because the patronage is very, very encouraging. I love it. And they benefit them. So I know if we tell you now, say you are, because you they do your work for you, I'll say you are not helping me. No, you are helping me. Oh. You are helping me. So I'm indeed very grateful for the help. I'm glad for patronizing me. And again, let me quickly say this. Before you buy land for a dough, try and make you know whether that land is government land. So on our part, our company will help you confirm if land is government land before you buy. Not your say, you want to wow, yeah, what the 400 plot, yeah, what done. At the end of the day, you end up buying government land. Even if the government not come today, government must collect what rightfully belongs to them, even if it is 100 years. Maybe then you might not be alive, but generation yet unborn will not suffer it. Also, so well about government. Government must collect what rightfully belongs to them. So before you buy a land, you need to check if such land is a government land. So for those who are requesting for my number is very open. If you even go my wall where you tell to watch me now, my number is there. 070 3610 9939. I repeat, 070 3610 9939. That's my number. My WhatsApp number. Why my direct number? Be that one, and be this one. 080 79 74 2172. 080 79 74 2172. Remain blessed. Anywhere you watch me now from, we are here to serve you better. And as I talk, for those who apply for CFO through us, apart from those who they apply, where would they submit their own from tomorrow? Others, your file number is out. And we will not give you the original file number yet, because now we take the tracker and we go to follow up. We know the submit CFO go sleep. We go know waiting maker never come, they never call us for inspection. We go know everything, we will either follow up. So we'll give you photocopy so that you yourself, if you send somebody say, you sure so when they do this work, I be your collect our money. I beg go let me check the status of my CFO. So you can as well be following up anywhere you day. So you need your file number. Many people don't come and say, many people will CFO, my see my boy. I will give one boy normally. I'll tell them to send me the file number. Many of them don't even know about file number. There is a file number in CFO application. There is a file number. Now that file number, it's your right to have it as a client. So it's just for you to call your rep. Your rep will call us, will give him a photocopy of his file number. Then you can follow up anywhere you are to check and to know the status of your CFO. And by the power of God Almighty, we are going to continue to operate on the basis of transparency and accountability. And you will know exactly what your resources is being used for. Now, lastly, for those who are members of any occultic organization, call yourself to order. Call yourself to order. Let peace reign in Edo State. Thank you very much for listening to me. I remain my humble self, your loyalist, your friend, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze. Osakwe no Wode. And I say a very big bye for now. Happy Sunday. Continue to patronize us. I am indeed very, very grateful. Christy, Pious, Jesus, Pious, why are you passing? Be there. Don't pass. If you pass, we're going to bring you back. Emeka, thank you very much. Emeka Ogbangu, that name. I greet you. Thank you very much. That nice one. Uselu King, my brother, you have a right to your opinion. Although people recommended that I should block you, I don't block people. So you are free to be here. Express your opinion. Thank you. Tonya Buckler, one of the most respected women of Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. I salute you. Prince Samo, I greet you. Forgive me if I have not been able to mention your name. This is as a result of the limitation of human memory. I say thank you very much for watching me. I remain my humble self, Usakwin Okwudi. Bye for now.
Now we don't hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze Usakwin Okwudi. Let us know what you think. Go to comment section, make you put your own for there. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, I beg, try make you subscribe so that make you for day current with all the things where they happen for Edo State. So make I leave you, make you help us share this video. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.